Today, we'll be simplifying the fraction 9 over 27. We'll show you step by step how to do this. Step 1 is to find the greatest common divisor, or GCD, of both the numerator and the denominator of 9 over 27. The GCD is the largest number that can divide both numbers evenly. If we factorize both numbers, 9 is 3 times 3, and 27 is 3 times 3 times 3. The common factor here is 3. Next, we divide both the numerator and the denominator by their greatest common divisor. In this case, we divide both 9 and 27 by 3. Finally, we perform the division. After dividing, our simplified fraction is 3 over 9. To check our work, we can evaluate the decimal values of both fractions, and if they're equivalent, then we've correct. The decimal of 9 over 27 is equal to 0.33 repeating, and as expected, the decimal value of 3 over 9 is also 0.33 repeating. This means our simplified fraction is correct, and it's as simple as that. We've successfully simplified 9 over 27 to 3 over 9. Simplifying fractions is a common practice in mathematics, helping us work with more manageable numbers. This approach can be applied to any fraction.